Hi everybody, it's Mike Vondruska with Mike's Mexico Adventures. You just saw a little clip from a group who we hosted who came from England to the state of Veracruz. We took them whitewater river rafting. They had a blast. I thought it would be interesting to show you what it looked like from their perspective inside the boat. Take a look. The nice thing about whitewater river rafting is that you really don't need a lot of experience. Your rafting guide will show you everything you need to know. You'll rehearse prior to starting so that you know exactly what to do during the tour. In my travels throughout Mexico, I have found several different states that offer whitewater river rafting. One is the state of Morelos, just south of Mexico City. Also, the state of San Luis Potosi in the eastern part of that state. Then there's Oaxaca, the southern part of Oaxaca, closer to the Pacific coast. And of course, as I mentioned, the state of Veracruz. There is another type of rafting experience you can have in Mexico. You'll find it in the state of Chiapas. I did it. It was really fun. Waterfall rafting. That's right. You go over waterfalls. Now, these aren't huge, long, big waterfalls. We're not talking extreme. You can do it. You can do it. Again, follow directions of your guide. I took some video. Why don't you take a look and see for yourself. Waterfall rafting. Word of advice, if you're going whitewater river rafting or waterfall rafting throughout the entire trip, listen to your guide. They're going to be giving you directions as you're going along. When to paddle fast, when to paddle slow, which side to paddle, when to stop, when to begin. They're going to give you directions and you have to follow them. This is not Disney World. You can't be like going, oh yeah, wow, great scenery. Well, you can do that, but you still have to listen to your guide. It's not Disney World. Did I say that already? Okay, I'll say it again. It's not Disney World. It's the real outdoors. And if things don't go right, stuff happens. You're going to see this in the next clip. Don't worry, everybody was fine. Do you think you would try it? Do you think you would go rafting over the waterfalls? Now, I've experienced both, the whitewater river rafting as well as the waterfall rafting. In the whitewater, you can see it coming. You can look up ahead and go, okay, yeah, oh, it looks pretty rough. You can see it. But in the waterfall rafting, you can't see how long it is, how deep it is, how steep it is until you're actually going over it, because you're still back a ways. You can't even see it. You can hear it, but you can't see it. And that's the kind of the spooky part, is you don't know what to expect until it happens. So if you like adventure, you can try that. Hey, it's been fun. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up. And if you want to stay in contact, know when the next videos are coming out, which I put out weekly, then click the subscribe button. Until the next video, have yourself a great week, and we will see you soon. Hasta luego.